The human heart confuses more nursing students than almost any topic in bioscience, and in your NORCET exam, it appears again and again. But here is the truth: the heart is not complicated, it is simply a very organized pump. Today, we make it simple forever. Picture your heart as a house with four rooms, two rooms on top, the right atrium and the left atrium, two rooms on the bottom, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. The atria are the receiving rooms, the ventricles are the pumping rooms. Top collects, bottom pushes. Now, the right side and the left side never mix. The right side carries tired, oxygen poor blood. The left side carries fresh, oxygen rich blood. Remember it this way: right is blue and resting, left is red and ready. Between every room and its exit, there is a valve, a one way door that stops blood from flowing backward. There are four valves, and here is the mnemonic you will never forget. Try pulling my aorta. Try is tricuspid, pulling is pulmonary, my is mitral, aorta is aortic. That is the exact order in which blood meets them as it travels through the heart. Now let us follow one drop of blood on its journey. Tired blood returns from your whole body through two great veins, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. It flows into the right atrium. The right atrium squeezes and blood passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts and pushes blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery all the way to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood releases carbon dioxide and picks up fresh oxygen. This loop, heart to lungs and back, is called pulmonary circulation. Now, the fresh, oxygen rich blood returns through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. The left atrium squeezes it through the mitral valve into the left ventricle, and the left ventricle, the strongest chamber in your heart, pushes that blood through the aortic valve into the aorta and out to every living cell in your body. This is systemic circulation, so remember the rhythm: body, right atrium; lungs, left ventricle, left ventricle, body. One smooth, endless circle. And those familiar heart sounds, lub, dub, they are simply the valves closing. The first sound, lub, is your atrioventricular valves, tricuspid and mitral, closing together. The second sound, dub, is your semilunar valves, pulmonary and aortic, closing. Lub, dub, close, close. Here is your high yield NORCET fact. Write this down. The mitral valve is the only valve in the heart with two cusps. That is why it is also called the bicuspid valve. Every other valve has three cusps. Examiners love this single line. And one more golden point: the left ventricle has the thickest muscular wall of all four chambers because it must pump blood to the entire body against high pressure. You have just learned the complete circulation of the human heart: chambers, valves, sounds, and flow. The map that once frightened you in the exam hall is now simply a house, a one way journey, and one short sentence: try pulling my aorta. You are not memorizing anymore, you understand, and understanding is what makes a confident nurse. This is your Sara. Keep learning, keep caring. See you in the next one.